Welcome to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be using swept and lofted boss base. After watching this video, you will be familiarized with using swept and lofted boss base feature. So we'll begin with the swept boss base feature. So for that, first one is the profile and the other one is the path around which you need to sweep the profile. So for that, first we'll go on the front plane and then we'll create a sketch. So we'll just make a circular profile and exit the sketch. Now we need to make a path on a plane which is perpendicular to the plane of the circular profile. So now we go on to the top plane and we click sketch, then we go on to normal 2 and then we create a profile. Profile can be anything as you want. And we press exit sketch. Now we go on to swept boss base. Now in this, as you can see, the path has been already been selected. Now we just need to select the profile. So now you can see, as in the preview, it has been swept accordingly. Press OK and this is it, how it looks. So now we'll edit this feature and you can also use thin feature in this. For that I'll have to create it again. I turn on the thin feature and select 20 mm. Press OK. And I have already told you how thin feature works, and this is how our swept boss base looks. So now we'll move on to lofted boss base. For that I'll just go on to another part file, and in this I have created 4 planes which are parallel to the uh, right plane. So in this we need to create sketches first. So I'll select this plane and go sketch on it. Just create a center rectangle. I'll first create a circle. I press exit sketch. Then I go on to the other plane. Click on sketch, center rectangle. Create a rectangle. Then I exit the sketch. Then I go on this plane, draw another profile, and just draw a circle here. Then I go on to this plane, create sketch, and then another profile. So now we go on to lofted boss base. This first sketch has been already been selected. Now we select on the other sketches. So as you can see, this is how a lofted feature looks like. Now in these green points you can shift the vertices. Like if I want it here, I'll do this, but as you can see, it will not get further sketched. See, so for this you can move this green point. So now it basically twists the loft. Now you can see there's no preview here because this twisting can't be done. And this will how a model will look. This is the basic model. In this also you can go for thin feature. So this is how our lofted boss base looks like. So this will be it for this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to start scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.